Hey. Hey, can you meet me downstairs real quick? I have a surprise for you. Alright, I'm coming down. Alright.
Dude, you got the speed loader.
Surprise, Courtney.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Dude, you got shot.
How bored are you guys?
You should have got her closer. We could have seen her on video.
That's the victim. She's bleeding with red. She's dead.
Ah, she's shot.
You just shot her right in the chest. She's like dying. Isaac, quick, you have to revive her now. I won't record though.
What jersey is that? Dude, he's a pink.
Oh, he's still alive.
Final word.
He's still alive.
Five more.
Get him back.
Told you, man. You guys are vicious.
Oh,
Get him back.
It doesn't work with these.
I'm out of ammo.
He's still alive.
Oh no.
Oh, he's got the revolver.
Oh,
He's getting destroyed.
dude, that thing actually shoots stuff.
Oh! Oh crap! He likes the headshot.
It's just
It
just doesn't stop.
I surrendered. I surrendered.
Okay.
Yeah.
Word. He's still shooting. Unlimited amount. Oh, now he's throwing it. He's got grenades.
Oh no. Dude, where the heck did you get those? Where'd you...
So, we've already killed Courtney Farabee. So now we're gonna go kill Sarah, Janelle, and Alyssa with Andrew. There's a little demon himself. I'm just kidding, he's an angel.
He's an assassin.
Don't shoot him in the face though. Look this way, Andrew. So we're in the anvil. Going around the corner. There they are. Ready? Here you go.
Stay behind you.
Now you record them.
Take on.
Walk up to them.
Take on.
Hello.
How's it going?
Anytime.
No?
Yeah. Get the revolvers. Get the revolvers. Get the revolvers. Comes revolvers.
I can't get it out. It's stuck on my
Get it. You gotta get it.
It's stuck.
It's stuck. Need help?
Pull it out.
Need help?
I love it.
You get it? There it is. Boom.
Oh my god. That's where I loaded. Oh,
Look at that. Just killed them. They're both dead. You guys gotta play dead.
oh my gosh.
Victory. Give me 5.